Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram security code not received. So if you are trying to send the security code on your SIM card and it will not receive, so you can simply make sure your SIM is connected or inserted correctly, and if you still have problem and you won't receive any security code on your SIM card, simply go to the Play Store and search for the Instagram. And once you will search for the Instagram, now you have to update it from here and try it afterward. And still if you want not received any security code, go to the settings, and from here you have to click on the apps and the notification, and you have to search for the Instagram here. Now go to the storage and the cache and click on the clear storage. So once you will do it, maybe you will get security code. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.